This is a calcium maintenance-free battery, but it's getting like it's got no cranking amps anymore. Measures 12.5 volts basically, but we'll flip on the lights, turn the headlights on, and if it drops down, yeah, it shouldn't really drop under 12 with the lights on. And it's cranking over real slow. First you want to inspect the battery and make sure the sides aren't bulging. These ones are pretty... looks alright. I bought this one 4 years ago and it was already 7 years old then. It was at the scrap metal place. I think that's the date code. I don't know how to work it out. But you want to clean it. I've already been here, I've drilled some holes, and I've got to, this is sealed, like you've got to lever it up very carefully to get at the cells. They won't normally come up this easily, but I've siliconed this one down. Clear that away. Then take Epsom salts and put some into each cell. And then use something to glue the top down. I used 3-bond 1215 last time, but I don't have any, so I'm going to try and use this high temp red silicone and just smear it all over there and glue that down. A better way than levering up this cap is to actually drill holes in it, and then when you finish just hot glue them shut and then heat up a bit of bar or something and then smooth it all over to glue it down really well. But this battery is really old, and I've been putting Epsom salts in it for quite a while. I have no idea when this one was made, but I got this from a friend's scrap bin, and it's also a second, and I've rejuvenated this one twice now. Put some blocks of steel on the cap while it's gluing to hold it flat while the glue goes off, and then charge it. I've got a smart charger, and you sometimes if it's got like 0.3 of a volt or something, you might want to or the smart charger won't charge it. You got to use another battery to jump it to because otherwise the charger just shuts down. And also, much to everyone's disbelief, these battery desulfators, they actually work extremely well. You get takes sometimes months, but you can just leave this on and it actually will bring them back